Unfold the UF arm. Insert the UF battery. Turn on the drone switch. Place the UF on the horizontal surface. Turn on the remote control switch. Move the left handle up and down to complete one-button calibration. Geomagnetic calibration. Pick up the UF and rotate it horizontally. After sound dropping, the machine head shall be vertically rotated clockwise for 3 turns. Wait for GPS positioning to complete. One button unlocking, push the accelerator to take off. Camera up. Camera down. 上升 Descent. Forward. Backward. Fly left. Fly right. Left rotation. Right rotation. Speed shift. Headless mode. One-click return. Automatic return to takeoff point. Scan QR code to download app. Download and install the corresponding version according to the phone model. Open UF mobile phone connection to Wi-Fi. You can start flying. One button switch indoor mode. Indoor flight. Install obstacle avoidance module. Open the lid. Installing modules. Intelligent obstacle avoidance mode. Replace your blades. Distinguish between A and B blades. Remove the screws. Replace the fan blade. 扭紧螺丝. Connect the power supply to charge the battery. The battery is fully charged when the red light is off. Connect the power supply to charge the remote control. The battery is fully charged